At first, energy was invisible, felt, feared, and wasted. Yet no one could agree on what it truly was, or how much of it the world held in a single moment. Picture Paris in 1889. The city hums with iron, steam, and ambition. The Eiffel Tower rises like a declaration that humanity is no longer guessing at nature. It's measuring it. Inside grand halls lit by gaslight, scientists gather not as dreamers, but as negotiators. They are here to settle an argument that has quietly shaped civilization. How do you measure the force that moves everything? For centuries, energy had many names. It was the push of a muscle, the burn of coal, the snap of lightning, the lift of a weight. Engineers spoke in horsepower. Physicists argued in abstractions. Factory owners counted profits, not principles. The world ran on power, but no one spoke the same language about it. Then the question sharpened: if energy could be measured precisely, universally, what would that unlock? In hushed debates and chalk-dusted calculations, a simple idea gained weight. Energy could be defined not by tradition, not by intuition, but by work itself. A force, a distance, a number anyone, anywhere could reproduce. The name chosen was quiet, almost modest. The joule. 1 joule. The energy it takes to lift an apple a single meter. Not dramatic, not explosive, but exact. And that precision changed everything. Suddenly, steam engines could be compared honestly. Electrical systems could be designed, not guessed. Heat, motion, light, once separate mysteries, became interchangeable forms of the same currency. Energy stopped being poetry and became law. Here's the twist. No machines roared when the joule was adopted. No crowds cheered. There was no thunderclap. Yet this silent agreement reshaped the future more deeply than most revolutions. Because once energy was measurable, it became controllable. And once it was controllable, it became scalable. Power grids, modern engines, batteries in your pocket, rockets escaping gravity. Every breakthrough that followed quietly asked the same question: how many joules does this take? In that moment, humanity crossed a line. We stopped merely using energy and began accounting for it. The mystery is that we still live inside that decision. Every calorie burned, every watt consumed, every device charged traces back to a room in Paris where humans agreed to measure the invisible with ruthless clarity. And maybe that's the real legacy of the joule. Not just a unit, but a mindset. A promise that even the unseen forces shaping our lives can be understood, shared, and mastered. If this story sparked something in you, take a moment to like, share, and subscribe. Leave a comment with what invisible force you think humanity should measure next, and help this channel keep exploring the moments that quietly changed everything.